For years, AI has lived almost entirely in the cloud. But quietly, that's starting to change. In this video, I'll explain why AI is moving onto phones, laptops, and local devices, and why that shift matters far more than faster responses or better privacy. Most people experience AI as something that happens somewhere else. You send a prompt. It travels to a server. A response comes back. That cloud-based model made sense early on, but it's no longer the only option, or even the best one in many cases. So the question we're answering today is, why is AI leaving the cloud and moving onto devices? And what does that change economically? To define boundaries. This is not a prediction about the cloud disappearing. It's not about privacy marketing. And it's not about one specific company or product. We're focusing on structural reasons that are already pushing AI closer to the user. By the end of this video, you'll understand why cloud AI became dominant, why its limits are now showing, and why on-device AI shifts control in important ways. AI began in the cloud for practical reasons. Large models require massive computing power, specialized hardware, constant updates, centralized management. The cloud made all of that possible. It also offered easy access, lower upfront costs, rapid iteration. But cloud AI came with trade-offs that were easy to ignore at first and hard to avoid later. As AI usage scaled, three constraints became obvious. First, latency. Even small delays matter when AI listens, responds, or interacts with real-time systems. For many use cases, waiting on a round trip to the cloud is simply too slow. Second, cost. Every cloud interaction has a price. Inference fees, bandwidth, scaling costs. As usage increases, so does dependency and expense. Third, reliability. Cloud AI assumes constant connectivity, stable infrastructure, external availability. That's a problem for systems that need to work all the time, not just when the internet cooperates. These limits don't make the cloud bad, they just make it incomplete. On-device AI solves a different set of problems. When AI runs locally, responses are instant. Costs drop after deployment. Systems keep working offline. Data doesn't need to leave the device. But the most important shift isn't technical. It's control. On-device AI means you decide when it runs. You decide what it accesses. You decide how it's integrated. That changes who owns the value created by AI. Moving AI onto devices enables things the cloud struggles with: real-time translation, continuous monitoring, personalized assistance, embedded automation. It also allows smaller teams to compete, new business models, reduced dependency on centralized platforms. The cloud doesn't disappear, but it becomes one layer, not the center of everything. AI started in the cloud because it had to. It's moving on to devices because it can, and because doing so shifts power. This transition reduces cost, improves responsiveness, increases resilience, and redistributes control. Understanding this makes it easier to see why edge AI keeps appearing in the news, and why it's more than a technical trend. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. Your likes truly inspire us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. We hope you have a blessed day.